something.
This is not the program. Do don't clean with Baba Shek.
Oh, we never did.
Wait for make this problem, you're so in.
Don't clean back.
Hello, my family. This na Baba Shek again with
Zainab Tight Corner Talk Show.
And with the program Do Don't Claim. So, my family, I know say don't say small. Wanna see Baba Shek and Zainab Tight Corner, but Zainab Tight Corner be sick. You know, say at times you get for giddy body some rest. Yeah. Let God give the strength and health for they will do more things and more good things they really do.
Amen.
So my family, today in the program we can talk about one most important thing we happen in our country in this year. We miss yourself a surprise. I really surprised for seeing that kind of thing in there.
Yeah, Baba Shek, me say for surprise when I see the video. I really surprised. I was like, wow. We future leaders them. Look where them small. Look where them small. Boy, una safe, una pass smack, partners by Goma. Una pass smack, boy. You know get feeling, you know they feel sir. You know they think you get picking them. The small picking and they come out. Demonstrate and then now future leaders them. If they don't begin so now, Baba Shek.
I tell you, me say I'm really surprised, just like I said before. I'm surprised for see picking them. Old placard in the street. They demonstrate, say, Papa, we want school, Papa, we want go school. Hey, bo, it's too sorry fool for lady picking and say realize that. And in the honest, according to it, if you want to stop, if this is on time, na praise and the praise for the fake work the way they say don't do. If it's in a prison, the prison, I want to stop for it. We can notice say na against them. Now take off.
Yeah,
let them say that they do the thing deliberately.
Yeah.
Because if not a good leader, let them can't see and the way it happens. So you can't talk to the beginning and say, now I don't hear you in a word.
Yeah. I
will try for friend where I go do for Leona says go no say yes. I don't do something for now. But you don't do that. You just drive off, you go. So my family and soon as FDC, una the CEO una ready, una go vote them in back. We continue back with the same problem. And the other thing again, where I want to talk on is about very aspirants here, different aspirants, especially the APC aspirants here. They really disappoint me. They're a disaster in our country. Hey, Bobby big man de lekuna. Una sidom. Una the praise Anes like say Anes na mortal man lekuna. God just say for lead we. And leader na a servant.
Yes.
Now if for the do something for we, not so una for the go label. Una the label too much. Hey bo. Big man de lekuna una the go call una say the apprentice. For that.
Now laziness can cause that.
I tell you.
Laziness, coward. Una able be like coward.
So good.
Una able.
Eh.
Now because of una lazy, una the fear, then una okay you keep business make una no one come out for become president or become politician. Una the label. Baba Shek.
I tell you, when you see today, the girl I just vex a cutter. But una say una no try. Follow na big up, no na grow up, una need to grow up. You the go call it say Koroma boys. We are the Koroma boys. Big man de lekuna. Koroma boys. Hey bo. The apprentice, Alpha Khan is in our apprentice. Oh lo grandpa let you.
Really? You?
I tell you.
Me, I don't watch him.
Don't Kelfana Mara. They say we are the Koroma boys. Big man, I go big boys.
Wow, una want become president. They una say them.
Na lebele, you know to make the lebele so.
For the flag bearer.
Then one, don't two. Because of the no say, Anes get the ability and capability, we come in terms of finance. You understand? Yeah. They're not rich the way we reach. You understand? Not so the sponsors themselves. Then the fear say, if you see I no label or I no praise them, tomorrow, yes, you know will help me, you know go give me the flag bearership. Not so do the right thing. Not so praise the man. we do the right thing, and the right thing we do now they praise you.
Yes.
Don't the man put you, they say yeah. But not so we praise the man.
Yeah.
Una disappointing. Una really disappointing.
Indeed.
Now that's not the reason we make it help Sam Sumana.
Yeah, because
Because
Sam Sumana they take foolish.
He they take foolish now and don't to himself equal to the task.
Yes,
Himself get
no.
money like.
Of course.
So you know, see Ernest the do bad, you not tell
You
us
not
the
tell her,
man
yeah.
this still way he do na the wrong thing.
Not true.
You see, now that's the reason because they tell her the truth. Now make it just kick him out.
House, yeah.
So all the one over there around her now, they afraid for telling the truth. And it's not to God.
Indeed. Now
Not to God, now God be for afraid.
Now just a president.
Now what am I like
Now una? We una self they try now for be president.
Next year, I not to president again.
Na leke una no.
Yes. It will be an ordinary person. President will be in the member no more. Say, Ernest, na be president so and so here. Una grow up. Una grow up.
Now they kind of the people they for go vote for.
Tell me back.
Now they kind of una them for vote. Some people they una blind, una not they see. But Papa, one thing again, we just kind of made. You see back we they talk no more, but we salon people they say sometimes they can make somehow some way. Then they see so. Then they see. They're not afraid of go vote back for them kind of people then they.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. When you say PC, then sabi politics, then sabi. Not to sabi, then sabi. You sabi like Nigeria man, don't think say they're smart. They're not smart. Now mine nine and get.
Yeah, not true.
Now the same way PC, then waiting and call. You know thing, then they try for misuse the people and the youth especially. They not give them work. They not make them the done education. They just want it and just be a lay about.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
They don't get nothing for do. So when election time come, and they tell them, go, look, Kemosi said they go put 100 million.
Can you imagine?
The shape to people there.
Can you imagine?
Why you go on
Whether 100 million, they, you know how many waiting, how many school they
tell you.
renovate with that 100
I
million,
tell you.
the hospitals there.
You can't normally go give people there. Well, now that not the easy, we make easy. So that when election time reach, then you go put 1, 2, 3,000, 1, 2, 3 bag rest.
They give them. But it not go be this time. The youth man them, do ya. This video, we they encourage una follow, una look this video, una listen to this video. Because this video can change most of una life them. This video can make una educate. This video can make una, una know a lot of things the way they inside, Abi.
I tell you, una not making them fool una. Look, recently, what happened? Yesterday also.
Yeah.
When the youth and go fetch and say, why una see any of the aspirants in it?
No.
Una they kill una say
for nothing.
Then they arrest una back, una go lock una up.
Prison.
Now aspirants they go pull una dey. No. So why una dey do all that thing and dey for? Una try for no say who forget change in that country.
Indeed.
Una get una right.
Indeed, especially the youth man them. The youth man them, because in any society, a youth man them gets.
Yes, a youth say
and then they always full because they know say they get give them back.
Exactly, because they don't get anything for do. Like me, you will get something for do. Who are the come out come it we say, Baba Sheikh, Zainab Chad. Una can't do this or do that. Then they need one.
They try and save.
I tell you, but now make they need to give them education. If they try to educate, then they give them work.
Yes.
So that they all go there and then put them street.
Yeah.
And it's all they need them.
They call them.
They use them. When they don't use them, they go
left
for them.
back. Yeah. But this time, it not get for me because this time we go demonstrate for the youth them. They want you, no one you 2, 3 of una who must speak sense this time.
Where come in terms of suffering? Now they suffer.
Indeed.
Now they suffer.
But you know what think him on me? Ask suicide they sleep. You sabi from PZ now. Say go behind the other side and then a table then they sleep.
Just imagine.
In Jimmy under. Now table them. You know they can go sleep now they unfinished building them. Some of them are there and they sick, swell. What's in the upper die. So the youth man they will right there.
Just imagine tight. They're very sorrowful. Where this boy was sick then this year. Kelvin Kamara. Who that pandemic?
Nobody.
They none.
Nobody.
You tell I get sense. Nobody. Waiting if about post, he say na somebody when brother they out. Now he try for assistance for let them go administer some treatment in them. We don't be in the feel better so.
Yeah.
But I need to get sense.
Can you imagine? Then one woman then when Sister Felicia, I think you sabi, I did around Tilburg.
I sabi am.
He sent money for Kelvin.
sabi
So I
am.
want to tell you thank you, Sister Felicia. Let God bless you, man. He sent money, call me. Now, yes, he sent money for Kelvin. Then one other lady back again call me. You know, I've been getting a lot of calls there where I talk to Indy Kelvin. He said, tell me thank you, you know. So now so if for be the youth man, they wanna know the thinker. Una know the thinker?
Una wise up and rise up. The future is in una hand.
Indeed.
And una hand and the vote.
Indeed.
Una go vote for the right choice,
Yes.
for the right person. When he bring change, come now
Now
in
the
life
country,
then,
yeah.
and the country.
Yeah.
Dear,
Yeah.
una not stupid this time around. Una not stupid this time around.
Look
Wake
when
up.
they won yesterday.
I didn't tell you.
I see the youth
That's
man
also
when
the
they
number.
run yesterday. I was like, what is this?
The politician ending at the office here, air
And
condition.
yes, then they watch the bubble
Yes.
them back, oh, and I then don't set the fire,
Yes.
and I then push the bubble them back.
Una try forget sense.
Una wise though, the youth man them.
Me family I go read to na the comments them wey some people make and some videos them wey be post na YouTube. And this particular video where people make comments pan, now the video wey be make for Logus Koroma and Wef, where be make that media accident, where be go talk thing away and all for talk. So the first person we be send comments na Mohamed Jabi. He say one thing we go make APC get accident. He say because now the kind people we get that day. He say since the first APC them believe in lawlessness. He say so a man and a woman them na them did it. Them feel say all man for freed them. Now that's Mohamed Jabi be send. Then the other person again will send a message. He name Anne Koroma. Now I'm not go surprised, but I go read them. He talk say what? He say this na fake news. He say his story na a complete lie. He say the audio na to instead picking na they them be send her, and he send the audio to other person else. So the person I leak the audio out to the public. They know who that do am. And the other person again will make comment. Now one Alpha Ali Ujalo. He say, well done guys. He say, una na real media doctors. Let God bless una. Amin. Alpha Ali Ujalo. Then the other person again, he named Musa Bangura. He say, good job. He say, him blame the youth of Salone for them condition them. And them politician them where they overseas, where they show anything for waiting them don't do. He said today, they go to the country for go and enrich themselves, the thief the country money and the resources them. He say where they done, the youth them and the use for do them bad things them. He say so, in the tell the youth them, let them wake up. Let them not misuse them future. He say the politician and a bunch of thieves them will gather themselves for just reap the country money. He say and Logus Koroma na been thief man before and he not go ever change. He say look for example the boss them where them be sent. He say and the opposition party they na them pocket. He say they need to do anything about that. He say and he feel sorry for the people them. So my family, I think say I will stop here so far on the comments. So the next program, I will read more comments. So Zainab Tight, you will say the last word to family.
Yeah, family. The youth man them. Una wise oh, we are big. Una wise. Family, Zainab Tight come at the center tattoo.
Well, my family, this is the program. Do don't clean with Baba Sheikh and Zainab Tight corner. My family. I think I will stop the program for today and
Back home, me from them.
The same old system and the same problem.
So what do we for do? Oh, we never there.
Wait for make this problem, yeah, so